Hello, good afternoon. This is David Sutter talking to you, and today is my free daily signal for Friday, January 24th, 2020. Okay, and the signal I'm going to share for you is very easy. It's Euro USD, EURUSD, Euro versus US dollar, and the signal I have to share for you is a buy. Okay, if we look here on the hourly chart, it shows a pretty strong signal to buy, and if we look at some of the other time frames, like the 4-hour and daily, okay, the 4-hour shows to go up, but the daily does not. Well, the thing is, this is at a pretty strong level of support. If I draw a line right about here, okay, we see that this had hit support right here before and bounced off of. Okay, so this to me is a pretty strong level of support. It's not 100% guarantee. Obviously, it could drop more, but as of right now, I think it's going to be going up. Okay, if you look at the weekly chart, it shows to go up, and the monthly chart as well has an up arrow. So long term, this will be going up. Now, one other thing I want to point out to you that is pretty crucial in deciding which way the price is going to go, deciding the trend, is if you come here to Euro USD, okay, and you right click on this and you go to specification, okay, in the market watch window here, and you scroll down a little to where we see swap long and swap short. Okay, whichever of these two is the greater negative, that is the direction the price is going to be going long term. Okay, so you see here the swap long has a negative 15.6 and the short has a positive 3.36. okay, so in my opinion, this is definitely going to be going up because long means buy, short means sell. Okay, so we should be buying, and now we have a very strong signal to buy. So it's definitely a good time to be buying right now. However, there's always a possibility it could drop even more. Okay, so what we need to do, and this is pretty simple, is draw a trend line. Okay, and show your downtrend coming to this blue arrow. Okay, and do like this. Okay, now it's not perfect, but if we have any kind of trend line, okay, typically we need to have 1, 2, 3 points of contact. Okay, right now we only have 2 points of contact. Okay, so that is not 100% of a trend line. Okay, but it's still a resistance. Okay, still marking a resistance where this price has gone to. What we're looking for is a price come up, hit a third time, and then break. If it breaks this trend line, then we know 100% for sure that this definitely will be going up long term. My best guess is that this is going to ride. It's already Friday now, so the market's slowing down right now, and this price will hover inside of this area for a while, and then eventually break out. Okay, for all intents and purposes, this is what we call a fallen wedge pattern. Okay, it's almost like a two-sided triangle, and whenever this happens like that, okay, you have the price that will get stuck inside this triangle portion and then eventually break out. Okay, but either way, okay, don't even worry about the fallen wedge or whatever. I just wanted to point that out. But basic thing here, the basic thing you need to understand is that we have a trend line. Okay, trend line is the absolute Bible when it comes to Forex. Okay, and we need to wait probably about 2 candles or so, maybe even 3 candles before this, before you place a trade. Okay, so the first candle will go up, and the second candle will probably drop down. That's typically what happens. Okay, and then the third candle will shoot back up. That's typically what happens. So I like to see the first candle go up, and then the second candle, if it's continue going up, then I'll enter the trade. But if the second candle drops, then I'll wait for it to drop and touch this trend line and bounce off of it. Okay, and that's when I enter the trade. So it's all about patience right now. So you have plenty of time to hop in this trade. It may not even break trend until Monday. Okay, I don't know. I really do not like having the trade open over the weekends, if at all possible. So with this one, you may want to wait until Monday when the market opens up before you hop into the trade, okay? And then kind of see what's going on at that point. So anyhow, I'm going to leave this up to you how you trade this exactly, but it's definitely going to be going up here. You know, probably all next week, I guess. Today, I don't know, but we will see, okay? So my free daily signal is EURUSD. It's a buy. Draw your trend line, wait for the trend to break, hop into the trade, okay? Very, very easy, okay? So let me know if you have any questions or comments. Please reach out to me on Facebook. There is a link below in the description of this video for my personal Facebook. You can contact me there. Also, there is a link for my private Facebook group. You can contact me there. And you post any questions or comments in my Facebook group, okay? So that's the idea behind my Facebook group, all right? We can all collaborate as a team and share our thoughts and ideas. With that said, I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Let me know if I can help you. And thank you, and I'll talk to you soon.